Super sale from March 27th through May 7th. Get up to $100 off select sets of tires or up to $150 off select services after mail-in rebates. It's our spring super sale, only at your locally owned Big O Tires, the team you trust.
With Alert Day coverage now, this is Wave News.
Thanks for joining us here on Wave News Midday. I'm Olivia Russell in for Shannon Kogan. It is a Wave Weather Alert Day, so I want to send things straight over to meteorologist Brian Good, who you have a lot to talk about today.
Yeah, it's a busy setup, and of course, scary looking sky out there now. This is live in Decordan, and it looks like pieces of debris or something like that flying by the camera. This is actually raindrops, but it's raining sideways out there in Harrison County because the wind is quite strong. You can certainly tell that by looking at the clouds rolling there off to the east, northeast rapidly. There's nothing severe happening in wave country at the moment, but that can easily change. Now, a lot of you had your NOAA weather radios, the Wave weather app, all activated here not long ago with a tornado watch. It's out for all of our Indiana counties and just about every county that touches the Ohio River, including, of course, the Louisville Metro until 5 o'clock for this afternoon. Now, we already have storms in the watch area. These are, again, not severe at the moment, but there is a better wind field moving into the zone, so we do need to watch these cells for the next couple of hours, especially in Jefferson County. It's mainly just light showers in downtown along Hurstbourne Parkway, Billtown Road, all the way down to Fern Creek. You get into Indiana, this development, especially right there in Corydon, as you saw with that wind blowing that rain to the side there, this is new development. This just popped on the radar in the past, I would say 15, 20 minutes, and that's the reason why you got quite a bit of lightning in the area. Again, nothing severe noted right now, but we're watching that cell as well as another cluster continues to redevelop into Salem, New Liberty, all the way into southern areas of Scott County, around Henryville and the Clark County National Forest, all the way to North Vernon. Heavy rainfall, a lot of lightning, and a lot of wind taking place here at the moment. But these are the cells that are a bit separate from the main show, but we need to watch that area. We'll be watching the main line itself as it moves in across, which will be here roughly around 3 to 5 o'clock, it looks like, from the northwest. And we need to watch and see if anything near Evansville could actually pop as we head into the early afternoon time period. So there's several things we're watching. This, of course, is the main line, but the atmosphere is prime, really in advance of it for severe weather, really at any point. That's why the watch was issued rather fast for the area. It is warm, it is humid out, 78 degrees. We've been basically at that level all night long. The game plan for the next 12 hours, we'll enter into that severe risk zone here very soon, and we'll stay there through the afternoon, evening. It looks like this is going to move fast enough. I would say 9 or 10 o'clock, we should see the severe threat wrap up rather quickly. And that's good. That's a bit of a change in the past 24 hours. I think overall, we're looking at the afternoon and early rush hour period that looks to be the most active. Much more on this active setup on this alert day coming up again here in just a few more minutes, Olivia.
All right, we'll check in with you soon. Thank you, Brian. And speaking of that severe weather, we have breaking news as first responders in Missouri are searching for survivors after a possible tornado hit, but they're also already reporting deaths. Kathleen Ninke has updates on this Wave News Alert.
Olivia, state authorities say multiple injuries and multiple fatalities have been reported in Bollinger County from the severe weather that crashed through in the early hours of this Wednesday. But they're not saying how many might be dead at this hour because they don't have a clear answer yet. Reports of deaths are still coming in. What you're looking at is just some of that extensive damage through the area about 110, 120 miles south of St. Louis, near Cape Girardeau. State Highway Patrol calls the situation an active search and rescue event. With the sun now up, we expect some of these numbers to firm up. But again, Missouri state authorities say multiple people are dead after what was probably a tornado. Olivia?
All right, thank you for that update. Thank you, Kathleen. Well, just hours after